Hello everyone, hope you all well with good health, and today we are decorating clay pot. And this is a clay pot. You can see here there are the holes as well, so you can keep candle in the pot and you can use like a candle holder. And today I'm trying to make a peacock on the pot. You can place this pot on the center of the table or any corner of your house, wherever you are decorating your corner. In Hinduism, we use this pot during Navaratri and place the candle at the center of the pot and then cover this. And 9 days this garba is placed in the center of the table. Ladies play garbo. It's a type of the dance. We are playing garba till 9 nights. But this year it's not possible, but everyone can play at home. So let's get started. Something different, something unique with this pot. I am using this bone set and this is very quick dry. If you are using only one, that's not possible to set your any articles, whatever you are preparing. So you have to use these two and mix them well properly. So you can see here, one is black and one is green. Sometimes it comes in a white color. So now I'm mixing both this. So here I have mixed both the clay, this bone set, and now I am starting to give shape of peacock head and then neck. To smooth this out, I'm using my fingertip, and if you require you can use a little cream or gel or any kind of the oil to make a nice and fine smoothness on the top of the layer. So after 5 hours, you can see our peacock is completely dry, and I have stick here. While it was wet at the time, I have stick 3 pearls in a small string of the metal, and this is the top of the peacock. And now I'm going to use the gloss white color to paint whole peacock. If you want to go with the blue color or the purple, you can go with your choice. So here I have painted all over pot, and I'm going to keep it overnight to dry, and tomorrow morning we will decorate our peacock. For peacock feather, I have used here cover of the box and I have cut it in feather shape. I have got white card and I have cut this different size of the feathers, and I'm going to arrange this feather here. After that, I have used this fabric and I have given the shape of the feather like this. Small. I have cut it in petal shape, and I'm going to arrange this on cardboard. So after drying this color overnight, this is ready. So first I'm using the golden lace I have with the red and white color. I'm going to cover with this lace neck of the pot. I have made square from this cloth. You can see the small squares I have cut here, and I'm going to arrange this square here in between of the holes. I'm using these gems on the top of this red square. So you can see here feather is also ready and it is dry now, and I'm going to stick it here at the back of the pot like this. પહેલો કપાટ નાનકડો આગળ છે ને એમાં બે છે. You can place a candle here on the top of the pot, or you can place inside the pot. So inside of the pot I'm going to place some rice or any candle pot and small candle here. So hope you all have enjoyed our beautiful pot. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. See you all next week. Till then, bye bye.